In this video, we will show you how to check the status of your service request or dispatch online. This information is important to know if you are waiting for a repair part or for your Alienware to be serviced in-home or in one of our repair centers. Go to dell.com/support and in the Support tab, click on Service Request and Dispatch Status. Enter your service tag, product ID, or service request number provided by support. You will then be asked for the email address associated with the request to validate the information. Once in the service request page, you will find detailed information regarding your service request as well as any pending work orders. You can view your personal information, the date the service was placed, and the estimated completion time for the service or dispatch. This would depend on the date we received your system if you mailed it in, or from the moment the on-site tech receives the parts for an in-home repair service. If you have any questions, you can visit the link for FAQs regarding our service request status tool online, or you can contact us via social media. Thanks for watching.